Hello children, welcome back to my channel Edulogos Mind, and if you like my video, put the like button and subscribe my channel that any video I'll make then you get at fast. So today we will study the democracy, that India a country, a democratic country. What is democracy and what is the feature of the democracy? Today that we will discuss in these videos. So this is our country India, and here the main thing, the democracy means the right of the people to elect their leaders. The Indian elect, through the election they choose their leader, and right of the people to express their views on the policies of government. Whatever the policies the government bring for the people of India, that people can express their view. That is democracy. That independence are there, that freedom is there. In right way, they can express their view towards the government decision. That is also one point in democracy. And of course the third and very important point, equality and justice. Any person in India, maybe from west or east, maybe from here or any tribal area, maybe higher caste, lower caste, maybe from any region, maybe from jungle, tribal area, maybe from fisherman area, anybody, they have the equal rights in India. As an Indian, they have the equal rights, and they have the right to get the justice also equally with the other people. And now we are going to describe what is our government, what is the Indian government. Okay, everybody know India has how many states? There are 29 states and 7 union territories. Everybody knew that. And Delhi is the capital of our country India, and Delhi is also an union territory. You should know all the union territory are directly ruled by the Delhi government, means central government. In our country, in Indian government, there are majorly two government are there, central government and other state government. In 29 states, there are 29 state government run over, and all the union territories, including Delhi, ruled by the central government. Now there are so many divisions, as you can see on the screen. The central government, all this government are chosen by the Indian people through the election. And the central government, there are, as you can see, 3 divisions: legislature, executive, judiciary. Legislature people, a group of people who are called legislature. Who all are they? They are the parliament and president. Who all are sitting in parliament? Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Who all are Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? Lok Sabha, the government sitting in Delhi. Rajya Sabha, the government sitting in the state. State means your Odisha or West Bengal or Bihar, UP, any of the state. So this member of Lok Sabha called member of parliament, means MP, and member of Rajya Sabha called MLA. You may be well known with this language, MP and MLA. So member of Lok Sabha consists of Lok Sabha group. With the member of MLA consists Rajya Sabha group. These both the houses sitting in parliament for their meeting. At least minimum, kam se kam 2 times the meeting should be there in parliament, 2 times in a year. More than that also, if the president call these groups for the meeting, अगर प्रेसिडेंट ने ज़रूरत पड़ने पर मीटिंग के लिए पार्लियामेंट में इन लोगों को बुलाए तो ज़रूर मीटिंग होगा, बट एटलीस्ट 2 टाइम्स साल में 2 बार ये मीटिंग कम से कम होना चाहिए। और ये मीटिंग होता है कोई न्यू लॉ बनाने के लिए, कोई न्यू लॉ पास करने के लिए, और वो लॉ पास करने के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मेंबर का वोटिंग होना चाहिए। ये इंडियन पीपल वोट नहीं करते हैं, एमएलए और एमपी मैक्सिमम वोटिंग करते हैं इस लॉ पास में, तो वो लॉ पास हो जाते हैं। और अगर कोई भी लॉ पास में मैक्सिमम वोटिंग नहीं होता है तो वो लॉ पास नहीं होते। कोई भी न्यू लॉज अगर आते हैं तो दैट शुड बी इलेक्टेड बाय द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ दिस 2 हाउसेस। नाउ व्हाट इज एग्जीक्यूटिव? एग्जीक्यूटिव, president, vice president and prime minister, council of ministers, they are all are including the executive members. Now what is prime minister and council of ministers? So in a union government means central government, there is prime minister and there are council of ministers, mean these ministers are look after their own department, like railway department, food department, welfare department, etc. They are doing their work in their particular department and they help in to control, to look after all the department and help the prime minister to run the government. गवर्नमेंट चलाने के लिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर को हेल्प करते हैं। ये है प्राइम मिनिस्टर और काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर। सो दिस प्राइम मिनिस्टर, काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर और प्रेसिडेंट, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, ये मिलके होते हैं एग्जीक्यूटिव। व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ द एग्जीक्यूटिव पीपल? एग्जीक्यूटिव पीपल जस्ट लुक, मेक्स द लॉ, और ये भी देखते, मेक श्योर दैट द लॉज, वट एवर द लॉज पास्ड, और जो नया लॉ इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ है वो लॉ अमल हो रहा है कि नहीं, आर द लॉज ओबेइंग बाय द इंडियन पीपल और नॉट, दैट इज दे आर सीइंग। द एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर्स, दे आर लुकिंग आफ्टर कि लॉज आर ओबेड और नॉट इन द कंट्री, जो लॉज इम्प्लीमेंट है वो ओबे हो रहा है कि नहीं। नाउ द थर्ड ग्रुप, judiciary. What is judiciary? Judiciary is Supreme Court. The highest court in India is Supreme Court. There are so many courts in India. Suppose you are in your district, the lower court in your district, the district court is the lower court, and after then the state court, the highest court of any state, that is high court. Any state highest court is high court, and then whole India's highest court in Delhi, that is Supreme Court. That is Supreme Court is the highest court, and the highest court, that is all the court is under the judiciary, Supreme Court. You can see, you may be seen the picture of Supreme Court in the news channel, and this is the Parliament House. The Parliament House also called Sansad. Also the Parliament House is called Sansad. Now what? Now we are going as state government. What is state government? So in your state there is one particular state government running by any political party. So here also 3 types: legislature, executive and judiciary. Same legislature, state legislative means MLA, assembly and governor. Who is the governor? Governor is the highest authority in the state. Like president is the highest authority in the country, and legislature groups are like that. Now who all are the executive? Governor, chief minister and council of ministry. Like in state government, governor is the highest one, and then the chief minister and the council of ministers, who all are look after for their particular department and help the chief minister to run the government in state. That is about state government. And chief minister, and next the judiciary. Judiciary, under judiciary, the high court, means in state high court is the highest court. As a democracy government, famous said by Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of United States of America, he told what is democracy? He defined democracy as a government of the people, by the people and for the people. So if you like the videos, you can subscribe EduLogos Mind.